By now, I hope that every Brewer Science employee realizes that we have become a B Corporation. Becoming a B Corporation means that we have been audited and approved for over 170 high standards of performance. Those standards include both ethical, social, and environmental requirements, having delivered both transparency and accountability for all stakeholders, including customers and employees. We are one of only about a few thousand corporations worldwide. In fact, we are the only company in the semiconductor industry to be certified as a B Corporation. Being a B Corporation verifies our commitment to lead all stakeholders to a more sustainable and durable outcome. We live in a world of financial giants as one of the few verifiable good giants. We've achieved this by working together. All of us together have been able to take this good giant and make it successful and sustainable. We are the good giant, and we've been certified a good giant, committed to doing good. So let's celebrate the fact that Brewer Science is a good giant and a certified B Corporation.